There are two really foundational industry vectors that are coming together at the right time. The first one, for obvious demographic shifts and aging population reasons, is that there's $1 trillion of assets that are slated to leave employer-sponsored plans where they've been invested for years and move over to individual retirement accounts. Now, given the magnitude of that advice, the level of regulatory scrutiny has never been greater. And that's where our solution and partnership with IRALOGIX comes into the picture. With our combined capabilities, accessing and caring for those assets has never been simpler.
Moving assets from a 401k to an IRA has been a paper-based, manual process for too long, with recommendation engines on one side, IRA administration on the other, and the investor cart right in the middle. Together with InvestorCOM, we're closing that gap and making the entire end-to-end experience fully digital.
Over the course of the last few years, we've been able to recognize a really significant growth opportunity with 401k to IRA rollovers. And our platform is delivering on this growth, which is super exciting for our clients and for us. This partnership with IRALOGIX is really just taking that to the next level. Firms and advisors will now be able to perform compliant rollover recommendations on our platform and then move straight through to a managed IRA with the IRALOGIX platform. So we view this as just another extension of a very, very exciting compliant growth platform.
This partnership lets financial professionals see and serve a client's full retirement picture, from held away accounts through IRA opening and ongoing management. No assets ever left behind. No compliance gaps. That's what truly holistic advice looks like. And that's what our combined platform delivers.